Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. On today's video I am going to be doing a few different DIYs. The first DIY you're going to be seeing is how to create flowers made out of ribbon, and I am also going to be doing a maternity sash. So this is going to be for my sister's baby shower. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up and please keep on watching. Si el ritmo te lleva a mover la cabeza, ya empezamos como es. Mi música no discrimina a nadie, así que vamos a romper toda mi... For the first part in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I was able to create these flowers. As you can tell, they are made out of ribbon. This is the ribbon here that I made them out of. I actually bought this at Walmart for $1. This is a color of my choice. You can go ahead and pick up any color or any brand that you want for your flowers. I am only going to be showing you guys how I created this set here, and then I also put glue in the bottom. I'll be showing you guys how I was able to create that. There's going to be two different ways that you can finish it off at the end, but because I do need this for a sash, I am going to show you guys how I was able to create this shape. The first thing you're going to be needing to do is get your tape measurement and see how long of the ribbon you're going to be needing. I am going to be doing mine 24 inches. While you're getting your ribbon ready, you do want to make sure your hot glue gun is already hot. If you do not have a hot glue gun and you do not want to invest in one, you could also use double-sided tape. I tried using it and it kind of worked the same. They do have hot glue guns at some of the dollar stores, and they do have them at Walmart also if you would like to invest in one. I don't think they run too expensive. I think I got mine for $5 at Walmart. The first thing you're going to want to do is make a triangle with your ribbon. And you're going to be needing your hot glue gun. You're going to want to put a dot If you're not interested on seeing how the sash is going to come together, this is where you can end the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this part of the video. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And let's get to the sash. These are some of the few things you're going to be needing for the sash. I actually already spoke to my sister and I asked her how long her belly was measuring. This is not going to go right on her belly. It's a little bit above the belly and right underneath the breast. So she did tell me to get 36, and that is for it to fit a bit snug. For the sash, it does go on one of the sides, so you can choose what side you're going to be wanting to work on. I bought this pre-made flower, which is going to be the main part of the flower, and the rest are going to be the ones that I created myself. I bought this crown here at Walmart also. If I turn it around, it doesn't have a pin or anything to put it on there, so I am going to hot glue this pin onto the flower that's already made. My sister is doing a princess themed baby shower, so that is why I decided to get a crown, but you can choose anything that you would like to add to this sash. Now let's get started. First thing you're going to want to do is decide where in the sash you're going to be doing most of the decoration part of it. I am going to stick to this side, leaving this much out for me to tie it. First thing I'm going to do is apply the crown onto the actual flower that's been pre-made. This is how that came out. I am now going to be applying it to the ribbon. Also, because I do have different sizes of flowers, I am going to kind of spread them out. There are 3 different flowers already there. I am going to cut them out, that way I can see where I am going to want each and every one of them. Once you have placed your flower in place and you kind of have an estimate of where you want to place your other flowers, you're going to want to go ahead and proceed applying them onto the ribbon. Since there is glue already underneath, all I need to do is add a little bit more glue onto the actual ribbon itself and then go on from there.